Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to use Janitor AI Proxy, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to janitorai.com, then you have to simply select this chat character which with you want to chat actually. So you have to go to that character's conversation. Simply click on that character just like this, and you can simply scroll down, and when you can find the character is proxy are enabled on this character. If the character enabled the proxy as proxy, so you can simply go with that and you can actually use the proxy on that conversation in Janitor AI. So here you can see you are using Janitor AI, so simply click on this three horizontal line button where you can find the API settings. Now from the API settings you have to simply click on proxy. Now here in proxy settings you have to simply switch to the OpenAI preset and select a model. For example, I'm going with the GPT-4 here. Now you can other API proxy or URL, so here you have to add a proxy URL or API key, so you can simply find that here. So after adding a proxy URL or the models, then you can simply click on this check API key or /model. Then you can also add some API key if you have one. Then you can also add some custom prompt here. Then you can simply click on save settings, and that's how you can easily use the Janitor AI proxy. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.